Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 5 in 5. So for this episode I'm going to talk about herbs that can support your liver and in that way also support your detoxification of your body. So your liver, one of the big functions of your liver is to detoxify your body. All of the harmful substances go to your liver to be metabolized and taken out of your body or excreted. So your liver is one of the organs that gets damaged the quickest when you are attacked or you are taking in harmful substances, heavy metals, poisons, alcohol, smoking, environmental things that come in, stimulants. Those all go to your liver first and your liver can be damaged by it. So I'm going to talk about things that can support and help your liver function, and then also which will help the excretion of all of these toxins. So number one, so things that can support your liver function. So they are dandelion root, burdock, chicory, and artichoke. So they help to repair your liver, increase cellular reproduction, they help to eliminate toxins, and they support your liver function with the compounds that are present in those four things. Then number two, things that can help protect your liver. So turmeric can help to protect your liver because it's a potent antioxidant, so it gets rid of things before it can go to your liver. Milk thistle seeds, which are also extremely beneficial. It supports and helps and protects your liver cells. It helps that they are not damaged as badly as if you are not taking it. So you have a higher likelihood of your liver cells dying or being killed off or switching to a harmful cell, being oxidized. So milk thistle seed can support and protect your liver cells. Then Schisandra can also help to increase the toxin elimination. So these all have a high antioxidant content. They help cellular repair, and as I said, they decrease the toxin absorption. Then number three, alfalfa sprouts. So green things are especially important because they contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is quite similar to blood. It's only one molecule removed from blood. So it's a potent antioxidant and supporter of blood health and blood function. So that will support your liver. It's also high in fiber, high in minerals, especially silica, which inhibits the intake or harmful effects of aluminium. So heavy metal poisoning, silica can help to eliminate those heavy metals. And it also contains beneficial enzymes which help your body and your gut digest all your food. Then number four, go to cola and ginseng. So these you can take as a tea or as a root. You also get medication or the pills that you can take, tablets. And they are potent blood cleansers. They balance your nerve functions. They reduce the stress response in your body, which is, if you have a high stress response or your body is always in a stress reaction, it affects your nervous system and your nerve function. It frays your nerves and it reduces the functioning of the cellular connections. So when your nerves need to connect, that is not happening because the function is not there. So that's what the stress response does. It affects your nervous cell function. And gotu kola and ginseng can increase that and be beneficial in your nervous system functioning. It also can produce a better mental clarity. So because it helps your nervous system function and your neurons from firing, it increases the neuronal firing and messaging system that will produce mental clarity and increase your mental acuity and brain function. It can also help to increase your digestion. So you're taking up more nutrients, which will also be beneficial to your body. And then, as I said, it balances out the central nervous system and it reduces the damage that is done to it via the stress response. Then number five, the last one that can support your liver function is psyllium husk, which is extremely high in fiber. So it binds together all the toxins before it can even get to your liver, and it takes it out in your feces. So down to your colon and out in your feces. So it's extremely high in fiber. It's extremely beneficial to your bowel health and your bowel movement, because more bowel movement and more bulk and soft stool bulk can help to get rid of your toxins much quicker and easily. If your system is blocked up, you're keeping and retaining those toxins instead of sending it out in your fecal matter. It can also increase and improve the mucus lining in your colon, so your colon will have better functioning then, and it can also help to improve or increase your bacterial growth in your colon and in your small intestine. So those are the 5 things that can increase your liver function and help to detoxify your body. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like, subscribe, you can comment. I'll always reply. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.